You decided to try the organized app in your congregation? Awesome. We're sure you're going to love how it makes everything easier. But first things first, you need to register your congregation. And that's exactly what this tutorial will walk you through step by step. Before we begin, just a quick reminder. Make sure the elders in your congregation approve the use of organized. Once they give you the green light, you're good to go. Let's get started and set up your congregation in just a few simple steps. We're here to make the process easy and stress-free for you. First, you'll need to register as a baptized brother. This is the starting point for setting up your congregation. To begin, open the app and choose the Baptized Brother option. This option is for every baptized brother, regardless of whether he already has responsibilities or not yet. Read this important information to learn how organized works and how we securely handle all data. And if you agree to proceed, click the checkbox and then Next. You can log in using one of the available methods, such as a Google account or another login provider. Then follow their prompts. Alternatively, you can create your account using your email address. Great. Now your personal organized account is created. Since your congregation is not yet registered, you can register it and become its administrator. Click the Create Congregation button. Next, you'll need to enter some details about yourself and your congregation. Double-check your name, then select your country. You can either scroll through the available options or start typing to search. Be sure to enter at least 2 characters to begin the search and avoid using any additional symbols or spaces. Once selected, move on to the congregation name. Start typing its name. As mentioned, a minimum of 2 characters is required, and after a few seconds of loading, select it from the list. Congregations in this list are pulled directly from jw.org, so if you still can't find yours, double-check for mistakes. Try entering its name in English, or if it's not listed on jw.org congregations list, contact our support team for assistance. Now confirm that your body of elders has approved registering your congregation in the app and click Create Congregation. Well done. The congregation creation process has begun and may take a few moments to complete. The congregation has now been created. You'll need to set up 2 important security codes to finalize the registration and access the congregation. Start by creating a master key. This encryption key will be used by every brother working with congregation data on an administrative level, including schedules, publisher records, public talks, and more. Please make sure to carefully note down the master key in a secure place and format. Losing it could mean losing access to your entire congregation, as this key cannot be restored. Choose a strong, secure key that is also relatively easy to enter, so it won't be a challenge for the brothers each time when logging in. Set the master key to proceed to the last step. Finally, set up your congregation's access code. This unique code will be used by all app users to log in to your congregation. It should be relatively easy to enter and different from the master key. Keep it shorter and remind everyone not to share it, but to request it from the elders or the brother serving as the app administrator. Set the code and wait a moment. Congratulations! Now before you start using the app, let's do some quick settings to get your congregation up and running. If you want to use the app not alone, but with other users or on multiple devices, enable the congregation data sync. Then adjust your preferences like the time, date, and name formats. Once ready, click Save and Continue. An important step here is to create your person record. This is where you'll enter your name, assignments, and qualifications. For now, add just your name. Other details can be added later. Since you're the administrator, you'll need to do this for yourself, but only this time. For other users, this step is part of the invitation process. Wonderful! Your congregation is now registered and ready to go. You're all set to start using Organized and explore all its features. Feel free to check out our other tutorials either in video or text form to make the most out of the app. There are many more interesting things to come.